Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the field of medicine. Let's break down this word to better understand its meaning and pronunciation. We may pronounce it as cardiovascular, cardiovascular, car-dio, vas, q, lo, cardiovascular. Cardiovascular is crucial in understanding heart and blood vessel health, helping healthcare professionals and cardiologists to assess and manage conditions related to the heart and circulation. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.